Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting the images you need and opening the Collage Maker. Import 612 photos now, then set a canvas size like 1920 x 1080 for screens. Once imported, scan thumbnails for orientation and quality, delete or replace any 0.5 MP blurry shots. Make sure to enable AI suggestions in settings so the tool can propose layouts. Start with an automatic layout preview to save time. Then switch to manual mode when you want precise control. You now refine each photo with the editor's AI tools. Run autocrop for composition, then use subject-aware scaling to preserve faces. Drag images onto the canvas and try grid, overlap, or freeform arrangements. Once positioned, lock the main focal image to avoid accidental moves. Apply a single color grade or preset to all images so the collage reads as one piece, and adjust exposure and contrast uniformly. If shadows clash, add a subtle vignette to unify depth. Finish by reviewing details. Zoom to 100% to confirm sharpness, check sRGB color profile for web, and decide whether to flatten layers or save an editable file. Export as PNG or JPG at the DPI you need. Use higher DPI for print. Once exported, inspect margins and alignment. If elements are misaligned or AI artifacts appear, undo to the last autosave, nudge layers with arrow keys, or rerun the AI refine pass. This usually fixes edge blending.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.